Hello students, now I am going to tell you how can you perform the simply supported truss apparatus and how can you perform the experiment of this apparatus. The objective is to determine the reactions of a simply supported truss and what is the another object to determine the forces in the member of a simply supported truss. We have already done roof apparatus truss or we have done jet crane apparatus, so we have performed the experiment on these two apparatus. So now it is easier to you can easily perform the experiments on the truss apparatus. So how can you do that? You have to hang the weight over here and you have to make these hangers weight 0. So how can you make it 0? Obviously I told you in the simply supported beam, so you have to move this system. So it is moving outward. So if you made this weight 0, balance is 0, so now you have to put the weights in it. You have to make both the balances weight is 0, and now I am going to put these different weights in this. For example, I am putting 5 Newton over here and I am putting 2 Newton over here. These are the point loads on the trusses. So what you have to do, I am just putting different weights over here. So you can put 3 point loads or as well. These are the gauges and you will get the values of the member forces over here. These two members you will get. If you want to more member forces from here practically, so you can put gauges over here as well. So you will find all the member trusses over here, and now you can see the weight is support reactions is changed. So you will get the support reactions of the truss from here, and you can prove it by theoretically as well by calculating it. How can you solve by the joint method or the section method? You can do it. This is the truss apparatus, and after doing the beam apparatus performance or practical, you will be easily able to perform the truss experiment, and in which you have to find out the support reaction and the member forces where the gauges are there. So you can get the values in the kg. You can see over here, and the value is changing in kg and pounds. If it is in kg, so you have to convert into Newton. So hopefully you will understand it. It will be easier for you. You have to find out the support reactions from the balances, and you have to calculate it theoretically as well. Thank you so much. Students, this is experiment number 5, and this is which apparatus is this? This is truss apparatus, and what you have to do in this apparatus, you have to find out again the support reactions, and you have to hang these weights. So how can you do that? I have already explained in the experiment. So if you want to find out member forces also in it, but this factor it is not included. So we have already calculated member forces in a jet crane apparatus and another apparatus that is a roof truss apparatus. So what we have to do here, you just have to find out the support reactions in it by hanging the weights. So these are the categories, or these are the cases for which you have to find out the support reactions. How can you do it? You have to hang the weight at the center, and you have to find out the support reactions. Then what you have to do, you have to find out the support reactions when you have to put the weight here. So you have to get the support reactions from here, and if you are taking all the three forces here, so you have to find out the support reactions. So you have we have calculated support reactions by applying equilibrium conditions for the trusses, analysis of truss as well. So what you have to do, you have to write down your analytical result here. You have to show all the calculation for these three cases, and you have to write down the practical values, whatever the unit you are taking it. Obviously you are taking Newton, because you are having weights in kg. So what you have to do, you have to convert your weight in kg into Newton. So you have to write down the forces accordingly. If you are taking one force here, so you will write down one force here. In the second row, what you have to write down, F2 force, F3 force. You can take all the three forces, two forces, whatever the forces you are taking it, you can write it down. So hopefully you will understand. You have to fill this column and how many practical cases you have done. So you will write down in this observation table. So ultimately what you have to do, you have to show all the calculation when 1 2 3 point loads are applied on the truss. So, and then you have to write whatever the precautions you have to take it. It is written over here, you can see. Now, in the conclusion, you have to discuss whatever the if you are changing the weight, so what are the impacts coming on the support reactions. If you are taking at same weight, so what are the support reactions are coming over here. So you have to discuss in it. So hopefully you will understand it. It will be clear to all of you. I have already explained in the experiment as well. So hopefully you will understand it. Thank you so much.